Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. First of all, we would like to thank our lecturer, TS Dr. Yi Mei Hyong, for giving us this opportunity to present about our product innovation, which is Intel Barrow. We are from Group 6 and this is our group member. My name is Nurul Jannah binti Shahabuddin, matric number CB210194. We got Nur Shakinah binti Rahim, AB 210006. Then we got Muhammad Afiq Aiman bin Abdul Kadir, DB 210006. Next, we got Stephanie Umang anak Simon, CB 210096. Next, we got Nur Fatihah binti Abdullah, CB 210246. And lastly, we got Nur Hani Sufi binti Nur Halim, CB 210245.
Hi everyone, I'm Hanis. I will start our project presentation with introduction. Okay, my group chose to make an innovation product that we name it as Intel Barrow. We're making an innovation from existing wheelbarrow. So if you want to know, Intel Barrow name we pick up from intelligent sentence which is as Intel, and we pick Barrow that short form from wheelbarrow. Let me explain more detail why we choose to making Intel Barrow as our innovation project in our problem segment. Here are two problem statements that we have found on the studies we have done. The problem number 1, is it difficult to pull and push a wheelbarrow if it passes through a hilly area? The second problem statement is difficult to move a wheelbarrow when passing on an uneven road. Here, we have conducted a study of individuals involved in the construction, agriculture and manufacturing sectors. Based on the result of the observation, we found out that they had a problem that I had mentioned just now. So, due to this, we have devised two objectives for the project based on the following problem statement. This is two objectives for this project. Objective number 1, install the brake at the handle of the wheelbarrow to provide safety and reduce the injuries. Objective number 2, to design a wheelbarrow by adding the absorber at the front of the stand.
For data analysis, we are using quantitative for our research design and Google Form for our research instrument. There were a total of 2 questionnaires that we built on this project. The first questionnaire is customer need and questionnaire 2 is about customer feedback. As you can see on the screen, this is the Facebook post for our questionnaire. In conclusion 1, there were 3 sections that we built in it. So for the first section, which is section A, we would like to seek about respondent information such as gender, age and job field. For section B, we ask about current industrial wheelbarrow, and for section C, we ask for customer need and customer opinion. As everyone can see on the slide, this is the data that we already conclude. At first, there were actually 3 main components that we would like to add to our wheelbarrow. There were adjustable stand, brake and finally is absorber. However, adjustable stand were not suitable to put on our innovation wheelbarrow. Majority of the respondents will not agree with the additional component, as some of them will say that it will be hard to handle. For absorber and brake, both will seem like a good additional component. We take note on all of the needs and improvising it into our innovation wheelbarrow. Moving on to our next questionnaire 2, which is customer feedback. In this questionnaire, we would like to know the feedback from respondents about our innovation product. In the questionnaire, we put the detail about our design and majority of the respondents agree with the design of our Intel wheelbarrow. The data also said absorber can be classified as the most useful component on Intel Barrow. Other than that, Intel Barrow might be able to enter the sales market as the component that added is very useful. Lastly, majority of the respondents think Intel Barrow help users to do their work easier and have good ergonomy.
Next, I would like to present about the feasibility study. Based on the feedback from the questionnaire, we were able to identify the advantage arising from these product innovations. Among the advantage of this innovation product is adding a handbrake system to the Intel Barrow. This can be explained that the handbrake works to slow down, stop and also control the wheelbarrow when used in a certain place. For example, when using in an uneven road area, the Intel Barrow can be stopped safely without the load being carried fail. In addition, the absorber component is also placed on the bottom of the Intel Barrow. This can be explained that the use of the absorber is to absorb the load pressure that occur when carrying an intel barrow from one place to another, and also help the movement of the intel barrow in uneven road area easily. Next, the high-quality tire Gorilla was innovated as a tire for intel barrow due to several factors. Among them is a layer of polyurethane material with an iron hub to prevent stone on the road surface from damage the tire structure. Also, rough design helped to grip the tray used like muddy tray and others. The tire was designed with patterns so that it can grip the surface on the ground. Therefore, Gorilla tires are suitable for use in innovation product intel barrow such as agriculture, construction, and manufacturing.
Product design and description. Intel barrow component material.
First is the tray, which is made of stainless steel. Second is the frame set, which also made from stainless steel. Third is the handle, which is made of rubber. Fourth is the brake, which is made of rubber and wire. Fifth is the bolt and nut, which is from stainless steel. Sixth is the brake disc, which is made of steel. Seventh is the absorber, which is made of steel and rubber. Last but not least, the Gorilla tire, which is made from high quality polyurethane material with an iron hub.
Intel barrow component function.
We have tray to carry loads, and then we have handle to ease the grip when handling the wheelbarrow and prevent hurting the user hand. We also have brake, which works if the handle is twisted. Next, we have frame set to attach all components into one item for wheelbarrow. We also have brake disc to provide friction to the tire to stop the wheelbarrow. And then we have absorber to control impact and reduce vibration or bounce when traveling on uneven road. It also ensures that the tire remains in contact with the road surface and provide good grips when braking the wheelbarrow. Next, we have bolt and nut to secure the attachment of all components. And last, we have Gorilla tire to provide better shock absorption and is quieter. In addition, this type of tire is resistant to chemicals, oil and grease.
Intel barrow dimension.
So next, I will explain the dimension of the Intel Barrow. For the top view, outer length of the tray is 111 cm, the deep length is 57 cm. The depth of the back tray is 30 cm, while from that is 42 cm. The distance between the handle is 61 cm. For the side view, the total length of the Intel Barrow is 160 cm. The length of the absorber is 40 cm and the length of the handle is 17 cm. Last but not least, for the front view, the diameter of the Gorilla tire is 40 cm. The distance between the bracket is 28 cm. The distance between the tire and the brake disc is 6 cm. And the distance between the bracket and the center of the brake disc is 34 cm.
Intel barrow innovation product cost.
Hi, I will explain the Intel Barrow's innovation product cost. So, the price of one Intel Barrow unit is Rm275.45 and the estimate price if marketed is Rm300 per unit.
Okay, I will explain about discussion. As a result of the discussion from our group regarding the wheelbarrow, we found that the stand on the wheelbarrow was not suitable for the product, so we changed the design to be better. We are confident that wheelbarrow can enter the market better as well as become the main attraction for the people in the field of agriculture, construction and industry because our wheelbarrow have a certain advantage. The advantage that we can cover here is that this wheelbarrow has a brake that can slow down or stop the vehicle, so the user does not need to use a lot of energy and lack of the fitness for that matter. In addition, the wheelbarrow is also equipped with an absorber so that the user can push the wheelbarrow with easily. Uh, conclusion The conclusion that I can cover here is this wheelbarrow can help many user, gardener and another go through their daily routine to do work easily and save time. We hope that this wheelbarrow product can help user out there and industry that can use wheelbarrow to push this.